Well, this is what it looks like on the inside. Might as well just kind of take it apart. Maybe I can clean everything. You know? Oh man, maybe not. LR. Wait, that's R. Nope, changed my mind. I'm not going to take this whole thing apart. I am just going to leave these here because I feel like if I try and take the circuit board out, it's a little bit more hardcore. The only thing I'm trying to do is fix the joystick. So I'm just going to leave those. Yep. Be able to do it with a little bit of finesse. Try this one. There's like a way to do it. Because it would be really nice to just be able to just work on this thing independent. Oh, it's very flimsy. Working it, yes. Okay. Boom shot.
Now, the moment I'm looking to see inside, and I think, oh, there's some clips here. Holy crepes.
Okay. I think I probably want to hold it this way. 1, 2. There's a spring, some sort of spring action. Man. Oh, there's a full-on spring in there. Okay, that's a spring. And then there's a chip. This is not how I remember it. Okay. Okay. Shit. Alright, there's some, like, gimbals. Gotta, like, they're, like... The spring is, like, from the ages. It's kind of, like, stuck. Okay. Oh, man, what is it doing? Can this thing... I'm wondering if the joystick button is actually like
Locked in. It is locked in. Okay. I'm just going to lift it out. Oh,
snapskis, what is this? Okay. Okay. Gotta remember. Oh man, there's a gear in here connected to this thing. And another gear there. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Right. All I want to do is get the powder out of here. Oh man. So, I'm gonna put this down. And okay, so I see if I twist this, it's gonna come undone. See? Gotta think of the repercussions here. These pieces are not glued or stuck on in any way. It's really just the spring that's keeping it. Okay. So I gotta remember. Okay. Gotta remember this thing is on this side. This gear is pointing this way somehow. Holy. What have I done? Right, so here we go. That's not yet. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to be really careful. This goes like this. It's going to go like that. And then just remind me this thing is pointing like that. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm taking the joystick. See, look, push it down. Push it down so the spring is completely depressed. It's like, oh, I don't want to do it anymore. Then, see? Boom. Oh man, okay. I'm nervous. That goes there, that goes there. Spring. Okay, top down kind of thing. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, now. Oh, the joystick is so beautiful. Such a great design. Alright. I'm gonna go like this. Bam. This thing is gonna be so friggin' perf after I'm done with it. Assuming that I can remember. Oh, sugar. Sorry, can't see. Look at that. So beautiful. Already. So beautiful. We'll be back.
so I don't know. I asked ChatGPT, like, what was the best kind of alcohol to use. I'm using isopropyl 70%, but it said 100. I should use 100% because 70% has water and impurities. So I don't even know, man. I don't even think I know how to get 100%. Oh, look at that. So I've got this little drying station over here, aka paper towel. I'm just gonna, oh yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna get right in there. So wonderful.
Sorry about the angle here. Gotta change the angle. Should probably get this out of the way. I don't think I'm gonna touch that circuit or anything. I'm just gonna focus on the little cradle, I guess you could call it. One of the best James Bond levels, GoldenEye levels, cradle. Okay, and I think, yeah, so I did like, so I kind of want to I just want to utilize all my tools here, but I want to see if I dry this out, what does it look like? Yeah, that's going to be great. Oh, I can't wait to friggin' get at her. Gotta get inside too. Okay. Wow, wow. I got my little handy dandy bowl here. Distilled water, just go like this. I don't know. I figure it's probably best to rinse it, to rinse the alcohol. Maybe it's not. I don't want the alcohol to, like, it evaporates, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe water's worse. Nah, it'll dry. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm gonna put this over here because,
Gosh darn it. It's so dusty inside. I'm gonna see if I can maybe, this chip probably lifts right out, but then these gears, can I go, I'm gonna try and go for the full clean. Like I said, I'm not gonna try and clean the chipboard. Oh yeah, there's these little pins here holding it in. Okay. This is very scary. Okay, I'm just being very careful, very gentle. Oh, the chip has become dislodged, and now the chip, I'm going to put it like this. Oh man. Oh, okay, so that goes like that, and the chip, I don't even know, man. Oh man. Okay, see, this gear has some slots. Well, this thing is a laser. It's got to be a laser, and it reads the slot movement. Oh man. Okay, I think I'm gonna clean this whole thing except for the lasers. Lasers can go over there where they'll be safe. Sip of wine. Oh my god. Okay, I think I can just lift this right out. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, but now these. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oops, what did I do? Shit. Okay. Lifting this out. Oh man. Like I said, I did this. I did this when I was like a teenager. Once. Now I'm doing it for real skis as an adult. And that is terrifying.
look at this guy. Oh, man. I'm like excited, but also it's one of those things. Don't count your chickens. Don't put all your chickens in one basket, you know? Don't put all your chickens in the same basket. Oh yeah, so beautiful. Okay. Did I do everything? I think everything has been done. This is the secondary. Okay. All right.
Meanwhile, while these things are drying over here in the specialized drying station, I'm gonna clean this part because look, it's got crazy, well, not crazy, it's not bad. This thing wasn't in bad condition.
Clean this thing. Look at this design, it's kind of cool. So the trigger button kind of has a little resistance. You go clip out there, and then see this like hinge, just kind of doop, doop, comes out of there. So cool. Then I get around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Much needed. should probably do this for the, like, yeah, I probably should. I just don't know if I should venture into taking off that chipboard on the other half of the controller. Kind of scary. Look at that Garbaggio. Woo. What else? Okay, I realized I was a little bit nervous in the beginning, but since we're here, we're gonna do it. I decided we're in it. Go big or go home, or whatever they say. So, this is right side, left side. I'm gonna take these out again. Check it out. They have these nice little handy dandy slots. I'm doing this because, you know, I mean, I bought these, this Nintendo 64 off someone off Marketplace, and, I mean, it's not like, and, you know, this is the worst controller out of all the controllers that I have. The one that's in the worst shape. So what I'm going to do, I think, is, this is so cool. They have this little, wire chicane, or little catch, because, like, can you imagine how many times this gets pulled on? So they designed this thing so that when it does get pulled, you'd have to pull it, pretty much you can't pull it hard enough for it to disturb that. But once if you got it unscrewed, obviously you can do this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Gotta remember all these things. Good thing I got it on video so that I can go back if I forget. So I got all these pins. I'm carefully lifting this up straight vertical. Oh man. There are no loose parts here. I'm just gonna want to see what it looks like. You've got some like connections here, obviously A, B, C, D, C, R, C, L, C, U. Oh, what? Some sort of, what is that? Some sort of, maybe, yeah, it looks like a, see that? What is that? Anyway, these are the connections. This is probably just the middle where it got kind of some sort of abrasion. I don't even need to do this. Why am I doing this? Yep, not necessary. Okay. And I am not messing with this. Look at that. Nintendo, so cool. Chip in the middle. Interesting. Okay, so this was like that. Does not need to be changed in any way. Look at that, eh? So I'm gonna do this one by one. And take this off. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Years of sweat and Coca-Cola Classic. The thing is, they kind of like, you got no choice, like you know. They've got these two like pillars and two holes, so it's like pretty, what do you call it? Foolproof.
Put that in the drying station.
Okay, here. Doing this one now. Oh, it's so grimy. Oh man. Love it. So grimy. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this, and we'll be back.
Yep, so I did it. So I was actually just trying to shake off some excess whatever off the thing, and then I turned it upside down, and of course, all the buttons came out. So, yeah. Gonna do all the buttons at once then.
Yeah, so just try to avoid shaking it upside down. that might be a good idea.
Do some of the details of this bad boy here. Check it out. Look at that. All the dentists are like,
Man, gross. Years and years of sweat, Coca-Cola, Cheeto powder, Dorito powder.
so this is where we're at right now. Everything, this is the midway point. This is the operation table. This is it. Now it's time to put her back together. So this is super cool. I realized the C buttons are like different sizes. And this is how smart they are. Nintendo is. Hold on. This one's not totally dry yet. I had to break out the blow dryer so that I can accelerate the process. But gotta be careful though. My blow dryer is quite cheap and produces. Anyway, so the C buttons are not all the same size. See? So obviously there's one, because of the curvature of the plastic, this one looks taller and that one's shorter. So got a tall one here. I think these two are regular. This one's going to be that. And look how smart they are. They put these notches. So the notches, wait, maybe. Oh yeah, also there's an arrow. Oh wait, no, they all have arrows. Yeah, I'm going to go here. That one's going to go there, I think. This one looks like it's this one. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like a, oh wait, no, I did it wrong. Really? Oh yeah, okay. Had to check the arrows. But yeah, I mean, they do it so that you literally can't go wrong. It's pretty cool. Very smart. Like this one has no choice but to go there. And this one. This is what we've been training for since we were kids. Well, still has some liquid. They all do, actually. Be right back. It's got to be this deeper one's got to be here. And then that would make sense because there's this notch here. And of course, they do not allow me to make a mistake. I barely remember. Okay. Then, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 closer together. Then you got the A and B, I think. There's some really tiny script here. Oh yeah, and then you got these really wonderful little pegs. I think that's like that. This one is pretty symmetrical, probably, maybe, I hope doesn't matter which way it goes. And this one. Yeah, this one. Also symmetrical. I think so. I hope this doesn't affect the connectivity of these buttons here.
I am going to now, I think, put this chip back so that I can put it aside and focus on the putting back together of the joystick, which is the main event. Am I doing it right? This is something you always got to ask yourself, you know. Am I doing it right? Okay, so I had to go back and consult the video. So it's like this, and I think I had the spring backwards, but I know that this gear is supposed to be up here, and then I go like this. So this is all nice and set up here. It's going to be like that. It's going to go like that. I don't see any issues. I'm going to go ahead and do it, and then the joystick fits right nicely in there. Then what am I doing? Okay, I'm going to clip it in, I think, isn't it? I think I'm ready. Jeez, okay. Still loose. Huh. I don't love that. Why is it loose?
So if it's still loose, what I'm thinking is the only thing that makes this thing, the only spring in here is this main spring. So if it's loose, what I need to do, if this goes like this, the spring needs to be more springy, I think. And now this was not, I'm trying to make it more springy. Maybe that's not a great idea, and maybe also this is not a great idea, but I was thinking, what if I just switch things up a bit? What if I put this guy, what if I put this one here, vertical? Would that still work? Should be interchangeable. I don't see why. I can't see why it wouldn't be, but I don't like how it's kind of getting stuck a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to try. Hey, I took it apart. I can always take it apart again. I mean, it's not even a big deal. Okay. Gonna go like this. Right? Right. Because then it's like that. Okay. Let's see how it feels. Okay. Is it interchangeable? I believe it is. I believe it is. The way it's like set up. Oh. Oops. Yeah. Okay, gonna go like this. The old switcheroo. Okay. Trying to make it so that you can see what I'm looking at here. Can this work? Can we be doing it goodly? Oh my gosh. Still loose. Oh man. Still loose. Why is it still loose? Maybe the looseness is just unavoidable. Why is it still loose? Oops. Nope. Oh shit, I gotta be careful. Oh, wait, what? Nope, something's actually preventing it from happening, so this goes like this for sure. I don't know what it is. It's one of those Nintendo foolproof things. Yeah. It's okay. I'm kind of tired anyways. I think I'm just gonna wrap this up. Well, it's okay. Gosh darn it. Well, I think this is as good as I'm gonna get it. But it does feel What the heck? There's like dust already in there. Gosh darn it.
Okay, but you can tell it feels like a lot smoother. It's just, I think the looseness is unavoidable. I think the joystick prong that's in there, plus those two gimbal slots things, they've been worn down over time. And oh, I forgot the chip. Ha! Yeah, so kind of important, this little detail here. Beautiful. Beautiful piece of machinery here. It's just gonna go over that disc and this disc, and then boom, you got yourself a chippy chip. Okay.
This is the longest video ever, isn't it? So long. Okay, now I need to make sure this is nice. Okay. Yes.
Now I believe the screw was over here in the top secret compartment.
Yes.
There we go. Snug. Wires. Not bad, I guess. Now, even though I'm tired and I want to go home, this is the most crucial part of the thing, is putting it back together correctly. So, still trying to remember. But yeah, so don't want to rush it and don't want to do things that are wrong. So, this goes back in here, obviously. I believe, like so. Very nice. I'm just gonna do like a upside down check. Looks okay there. And we've got our handy dandy little chip here we're gonna stick back in there. This time we don't have to like pry it with a screwdriver. We can just, I shouldn't have pried it with the screwdriver. I don't know what's the best way to do these things. But as you can see, I damaged the plastic. Not cool, man. So, yes, these ones were, I believe, these little silver ones, 1 and 2. We are gonna start with these.
Man, I really love it. I mean, Nintendo, hats off to Nintendo just for this design. Not only does it make it easy, I think, it makes it easy for the factory workers who are putting this together, but also it just kind of is a beautiful design, Beautiful design is a functional design and simple. Now, the moment of truth. Gotta make sure everything is good. I'm gonna do an upside down check. The buttons look normal. I'm gonna click it into place. Okay, no, the Z button, trigger button looks grimy. Hold on. I mean, I cannot have leftover grime after doing all this. Okay, here we go.
Okay, making sure everything is so beautiful. Carefully popping it back. Oh yeah, these little guys down here. How am I going to do that? Okay. I'm using my screwdriver as a tool. Usually these screwdrivers are supposed to be magnetized, but got it. These ones aren't magnetized. They're cheapos. I just pop it in here very nicely. Maybe you can see. It's like a fun game. Oops. Yes. Boom. Boom. Okay, then I'm gonna just do all these. 1. I already did 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man. 6. Is there one missing? Shoot. Man. How? No way. Alright, well. I don't know how that happened.
Okay, after spending a great deal of time, I have, it feels a lot better. It feels better, but it still has that looseness, you see? Which is not great, but I'm gonna go test it out. All the buttons feel normal. So, yeah, at least it's not all gunky, you know. It's better than it was.
So that took a really long time, and I'm tired, and I want to go home, and I'm going to go play video games. Okay, thank you, bye.
Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah, baby. I think it works. Again, the joystick is not great, but doing all the tests.
Check it out. Left, right, forward, backwards, nice buttons, the C, trigger. Well, let's see how the trigger works. Oh yeah, good accuracy with the joystick. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah, good accuracy with the joystick. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
There you have it, folks. You know, sometimes you just gotta take a bite and see if you can chew it. Till next time, I'm G. Abe.